Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily allow Messenger app access to your photos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first get into settings. Then scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Then tap at Photos, and right here you can scroll down until you find Messenger app. Just tap on that. On that step, in order to allow Messenger app to access to your photo library, just hit where it says All Photos, or you can hit Add Selected Photos and then check mark some specific photos that you want to give access to, and then don't forget to hit Add Done. I'll just keep All Photos option selected. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Messenger tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.